February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day. 2026. Um, so it's Saturday. Friday was the 13th. Pretty cool, Friday the 13th, and then Valentine's Day. Um, I did not make a video yesterday. It was a long day. I overtraded. It was a bad day. Um, Probably one of the worst days. I'm happy I didn't lose as much as I could have. Uh, my emotions got the best of me again, and I overtraded. Um, just made bad decisions. Didn't really trade to my best ability. Um, I was very frustrated with myself on Friday. Very frustrated. Like after the fact, I was not happy at all with how I traded and executed. This day was a little bit more tricky. It was choppy for a good 30 minutes, I would say. Um, and in those 30 minutes, I just couldn't wait. I was not patient with price. And if I was patient with price on Friday, it would have been a great day. I would have taken one trade. I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. And it would have been about a 1 for 1. And I would have passed my account. Instead, um, I didn't. I entered a little early. I would not even. I entered good. My risk was fine because I was de-risked because I was only risking $200 to make about 250. Um, and I was not upset if I lost 200. That was like the ideology I had coming into the day, but for some reason I decided to just ignore that, which is weird. Like my emotion got the best of me. What can I say? That's I know it's a bad excuse, but it's what happened, and I'm not happy about it either. Anyways, um, let me go through it, and I will tell you what happened, my process, what I was thinking, and what I wish I did. And also something I learned, something different that I learned about my own strategy. Um, let's just get into it. So, um, we have 9:30 open right here. We have data highs resting right here. This first yellow line, the closest yellow line. We come up, take out this high. I don't think ES. No way, you're not even looking at it. Okay, at least we just started because that could have been bad. I almost forgot that you are not looking at the screen. All right, awesome sauce. Let me look at ES real quick. All right, cool. That's it. I just want to see if there's S&T with this high and these highs. There wasn't. So let me clear this up a little bit. So right here, we have 9:30 open, and then price starts moving higher, comes into this fair value gap, BPR right there, barely taps, rallies lower, takes out these, really smooth, uh, choppy, high resistance, sell side, takes out these. It's pretty nice. Price then starts rallying above this high, creating CSD with this candle, order block here, starts rallying, and then price comes up, creates CSD with this high and this high and this high. Rallies back lower. So I know we're going higher. Like at this point, I'm pretty confident we're going higher because this looks like an obvious sweep. Come back down. I enter one con here. I enter two cons here. So as soon as if I can just I enter two cons when we come into this rally. I entered one and then I enter two. I don't know why I was late on the second one or whatever, but that's I don't know. I wanted to take one and I wanted to take one when it got into here and I just took it early because I was scared for it to run on me or something. I don't know. Anyways, price comes lower. comes into this middle fair value gap. And something I learned is that a lot of the times with my strategy, I don't mark out order blocks. I don't look at order blocks. My friend told me that a CSD is an order block. Who knew? Um, so we come into this order block right here, tap into it, come back here, come in, tap into it. Don't even get below it. But that's not. I'm worried about this low. I think I'm going to integrate order blocks with my stop placement and where I want to enter. More of enter, because most of the time, when it's a clean setup like this, price will want to come back to that order block. And then maybe hit the fair value gap that's right underneath, or not. Honestly, normally hits the fair value gap that's right underneath, or the fair value gap that's right above. So that's, I mean, you'll see me or probably hear me talking about it a little bit more if I remember that. I'm actually going to write it down. All right. Hopefully I don't remember. Hopefully I don't forget. Hopefully I do remember. And let's continue. So I enter here. It's pretty good entry. I ain't gonna lie. It's decent entry. I didn't wait for us to come back down to like equilibrium or order block, CSD, middle fair value gap. All these areas that are pretty good things to wait for price to come back into. Um, I thought we were going because Nasdaq started fucking pumping, and yesterday we dumped like a motherfucker. So I thought we were just gonna rip, and I was like, all right, enter. I was okay to enter. It was okay for me to enter if I risked properly and knew that this low right here would not be taken out. If I knew that, I did know that, I didn't trust it. I got emotional. I felt like I was about to lose, and I got out. But it's 200 bucks I would have lost, and I'm up what 2.8K at this point. All I need is $200 more. Why am I worried about $200? I'm sorry, but it's a rhetorical question, really. It's just emotional. So I get stopped out when we come back into here with this black candle. I get stopped out. I stopped myself out. Why in the world am I stopping myself out? Why am I going break even here? We haven't even gone down to equilibrium. I wish I knew. Price starts, comes down into this rally gap, rallies, comes back down, rallies, gets above, takes out this high, this high, almost comes here. I entered another long here. We got down here. We took out this low. CSD with this order block right here comes back down. This was a bad entry. By all means, it is a bad entry. It did use this inverse, which is not a bad move. If I was looking at that, is there no? And then he starts rallying higher. That was pretty nice. That was not my entry though. My entry was more of a gamble, and I wasn't happy about it. I'm not happy about it. It just ended up happening, and then I ended up going break even or down like 90 bucks here because I made back the losses from here. These losses were small. This is not where I lost. Let's go over to ES real quick. I'm just gonna show you my executions. I'm not even gonna show you the charts or anything or the makeups. The makeup. Long tier, stopped here, shorted here, stopped here, long tier, stopped here, shorted here, stopped here, long, shorted. I am down, bro. I forgot how much I was down. I think it was like, dude, I think it was too much to even like talk about, to be honest. Let me even see. Let me just. Yeah, no, my trade percentage is just going down. I did not trade good at all that day. Um, I mean, I'm still up on the week. I'm still up 600 on the week. I'm not happy about it though. Yesterday was just terrible. Um, okay, okay. Oh, okay. I was over exaggerating. I was down about 600 on the day. I thought it was a lot worse, to be honest. Um, so I was down about 600 on the day. I ended up being down 600 again because I took. Where the fuck is it at? Oh, I gotta turn this bitch on. Turn these on first. This trade right here. This trade right here basically brought me back. I was only down 90 bucks. This shit right here dug me in the hole that I was already fucking in. Because I wanted to make that 350 today. Or the 250 today. And this is the makeup. This is a rejection block. Huge rejection block. Let me show you on the 15-minute. This rejection block right here. Let me this one right here. Quadrant levels. Comes up, comes down, taps 0.25 here at 957. Rallies higher. Rallies up, comes back down into it, and then goes higher. And this is the hourly fair value gap. Another hourly fair value gap. We come out and tap it, come down, tap this 1 minute, the one I wanted to see get respected. Higher. Coming back down into this 1 hour, goes higher. Comes up here, takes out one of the highs, comes back down to this 1 hour, goes higher. Barely does not hit my full TP. And why am I targeting 158 points? That is a fuck ton of money. Fuck ton of points. Was 144 not good enough for me? This dug me in the hole, bro. I think he's targeting 174 points. Like for the 44-point stop, bro. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? That is it on the day. That's it. Um, if I could take one trade, and it would have been this one. Any day on the week. Like, it's that simple. And honestly, I would have been happy with this. To be completely fair. But that was Friday's price action. I will talk to y'all next week on Monday, God willing. Uh, Hopefully, I trade better, more precise, more me. Just get back into things. I don't know. Friday was just a hard day, and this is what I'm looking like right now. I mean, I'm up 600 on the week. This is progress. Not enough. I'm sorry, it's just not enough. I'm about to get rebuild if I can't fucking pass this shit this week. So I think I'll be fine. I only need 900 more. All straight. So I'll see y'all next week. Peace out.